yellow. Could you tell me what the difference is? Okay, you said they sound different. That's correct. They sound different. What else did you observe? The onset sounds here different. The plural form begins with D, and the singular form starts with C. Now, create a rule. I would like you to make a general rule based on this one observation. Typically, we don't make generalizations based on one observation. That's not a good way to live. But for the purposes of what we are doing in this session, I would invite you to make that generalization because it will work enough times for you to rely on it. Now, what is your rule based on the two words that we just talked about in